In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste dashboard objects in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or just brushing up on your skills, these instructions will help you easily navigate through the process. Let's dive right in to ensure you capture every detail. First, you need to ensure you have the Tableau app open. This tool is essential for data visualization and can help transform your data insights. With Tableau open, navigate to the workbook you want to work with. Workbooks are essentially like Excel files, but they hold your visualizations and data together, making it easy to manage your analytics in one place. Once you've selected your workbook, you'll be looking at different fields on your screen. Right-click on any field to bring up a contextual menu. This will give you a range of options that apply to the data element you've selected. Right-clicking is a quick way to access features without hunting through multiple menus, especially in a software with as many capabilities as Tableau. Now, navigate to the dashboard section. This option can usually be found on the navigation pane or as a part of your workbook's tabs. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see it populated with various objects. These objects can include charts, graphs, and other visual elements that help present your data story more clearly. Clicking on the dashboard itself allows you to focus on the layout and specific elements you would like to manipulate. Identify the object you want to copy from the dashboard. This can be any visual element you've created or positioned on your dashboard. Once located, simply click on it to ensure it is selected. It's important to make sure just the object you want is selected, so you don't accidentally copy more components than you intended. With the object selected, you want to navigate to the option labeled Copy Dashboard Item. This menu option usually appears after selecting the element, either in a context menu or at the toolbar, depending on your version of Tableau. Selecting this option will copy the item to your clipboard, ready for pasting wherever necessary. Finally, to paste the object, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This command pastes the copied item onto the dashboard you currently have open. If you want to paste it into a different workbook or dashboard, make sure you navigate to the appropriate screen before executing the paste command. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to efficiently copy and paste dashboard objects within Tableau, improving your workflow and ensuring your presentations are seamless. Keep experimenting with these capabilities to maximize the potential of your data insights. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try copying and pasting different objects to refine your technique.